I'm at the surf shop right now, and check this board out. I just picked this one out, and it's an Merrick, and that's a 6'2". I could surf, look at that. I feel like I could surf this a lot smaller for sure. But this one is interesting, but I feel like I should go smaller on that one. Okay, what's crazy is this is a 5'10", and I feel like I could definitely serve it, but it doesn't seem like it's too small, honestly. That's crazy. There's another one that's red in here. That one looks pretty cool, but it's just like this one. Okay, now what do? Do I pick the black or the one that's full white? They both look good.
You want to see anything? All right, yeah, for sure. The nails came this off.
What? Sun tan? If we did, it would be right here.
Yeah, that's looking good.
Yeah, it's perfect.
We'd like to see Ethan.
All right, so this is my brand new board right here. Traction pad is on, all ready to go. I got fresh wax to throw on there. A new leash. Check out this leash. This leash looks awesome. It's the Pro Comp 6-foot leash, and it's gray. I think that looks so cool. So I'm home now with my new board, and I need to put the fins in and a leash. Something that's interesting is I was looking at my other board, and this happens to actually be a 6'2". So it's the same height as this board, but completely different. I mean, it's narrower, high performance, kind of standard board. Very, very different. All right, let's go ahead and install the leash. This is the John Florence. It's a Dakine leash. It's super cool. I went with the Pro Comp, so you can see this is a little bit thinner than what you normally would use on bigger, heavier waves. And honestly, this is the perfect leash for this board. So what we want to do, we want to get this out of here. So let's take this out. There we go. And now let's feed this on in here. Okay, there we go. Now it's fed through. If I wanted, I could double it like that. That's usually the normal way to do it, but the problem is you never want it to go over the edge right here of the board. The leashes have this on there, and this is the rail saver. So you want this to be on this part of the surfboard. So we need to get this shorter a little bit. The reason why you need this short is because if you don't, and you're going fast and you wipe out, you crash or whatever, and this hits right here, it'll break this all the way through. Don't ask me how I know that. There we go. I did the double up method on that one, and it's looking pretty good. All right, now time for fins. Let's talk about them. I got a lot of them right here, and this board has a setup where you can either do it in a quad fin setup, which is 2 fins here and 2 fins here, or the tri-fin, which is the normal kind of standard way of riding, and that's 1 fin here, 1 fin here, and 1 fin there. And so what I'm gonna do with this one is I'm gonna have it set up in the tri-fin setup first, so these 3 fins in there. And the reason why I wanna do that is because it'll give me a chance to really understand the board a whole lot more. I've only had 1 quad surfboard, and since I've been surfing, so I really don't know a whole lot about quad surfboards. So this will give me a chance to kind of play around with that. But for the first surf, for testing this board out, I'm gonna do the tri-fin to really kind of understand the board more. All right, fins are in and it's looking good. I cannot wait to surf this.